The North Carolina voter ID law has been blocked by a federal judge. This is after the voters in North Carolina voted to pass the law back in 2018. Loretta Biggs, a U.S. District Court judge, cited the state's sordid history of racial discrimination and voter suppression in a 60-page ruling. Mixed emotions have come out as a result of the decision. Lieutenant Governor Dan Forest released a statement saying, in part, "We hope Attorney General Josh Stein and Governor Cooper's election board will uphold their oaths to the Constitution and the laws of North Carolina and oppose the federal judge's ruling." Another roadblock to the voter ID law is a lawsuit filed by the state NAACP. 9 on Your Side spoke to the president of the Pitt County chapter of the organization, Calvin Henderson. He says they feel it's a step in the right direction.
We feel, just as the judge has stated, that it's because of an effort to continue to suppress the black vote.
Henderson says he thinks the state's voters voted for the law because many of them didn't know what they were voting for.
I really feel that many people were caught off guard, and many of them voted without a knowledge of what this voter ID bill was about.
That's why the NAACP wants to educate citizens about the law.
We are doing everything possible to further educate, to provide training.
And he says they will continue to fight.
This is just a tool, a decision that encourages us that we got to work harder.
9 on Your Side asked your opinions on social media, and here's what a few viewers had to say. Lynn Claudefelter says, "We should have an ID to vote. We need one for everything else." Lena Stepp agrees with Judge Biggs' ruling and says, in part, they should be making it easier to vote, not harder. And Bud Newkirk says, "I strongly disagree with striking down what people voted for. Voter ID should be mandatory. It's likely that voters will not have to show ID for the March primary, and it has yet to be determined if the law will be in place for the general election in November." In Greenville, Katie Augustine, 9 on Your Side.